balloon family, welcome back to my channel. Back for another, I'm not gonna call it a tutorial, but I am gonna make a stuffed balloon. If it's your first time here, welcome. We are going to be repairing a stuffed balloon. Yeah. Man down, guys. One of my clients, aka my sister, her balloon deflated. She got it for Valentine's Day, and it deflated. There might have been a pinhole somewhere in it. She called me. She was like, Steph, and she always gets balloons for me. We don't have this issue. I'm not saying balloons won't deflate. This is something that can happen to your stuffed balloon. So we're going to repair the balloon. I'm going to make it a little better than when it was. Yeah. All right. So watch as I redo this balloon. I'm going to give her some flowers. I'm not going to use the same topper because this topper needs a little more air, and I don't have any more of this particular topper. But I am going to give her a heart topper, and I'm going to change the color to pink instead of the red and gold. Let me get rid of. Gonna see if I could do this without having to rethread or attach a new piece of fishing line to this stuffed animal. So I'll be back. Let me work on this and I'll be right back. I was able to salvage, I think, enough. I think this is a decent amount for me to be able to extend and tie and all that good stuff. If not, yeah, we're gonna see what it does. We are going to see balloon expander. This helps your balloon expand so that you can get it onto the top of your stuffer. So we're gonna utilize it today. We are going to use the balloon expander. I am not going to do it manually. I'm gonna use the expander. Okay. So I'm using a printed balloon. So I turn the balloon inside out, roll it down just a bit. So see the functionality, see how it works? So I'm gonna open it up like this so that these can come together, be close together, so that you can put the balloon on top. Same thing as if we are putting it on the balloon stuffer itself directly. I'm gonna roll down the top of it just a little bit. Place it over the nodes on the expander. Open up that bad boy. And then place it on there. I'm gonna do it again. All right, it's on there. Push it down. Open it up. Take it off. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. All right, let's inflate this balloon. Perfecto. Look at that. Gets it on there. Nice and perfect. When you're creating your invoices for your clients, make sure your invoices have a disclaimer about pop balloons. It's a beautiful, unique gift Sorry. It's a beautiful, unique gift, right? But people sometimes don't realize that it's still a balloon, and balloons pop. You know, I would always remake a balloon if I can. Like if I'm able to remake the balloon, I'm gonna remake the balloon. Just because. Unless there's very rare scenarios that will cause me to not remake a customer's balloon. It's just customer service, you know? But still have the disclaimer on your invoice that they are balloons so that the client will have the expectancy and know what they're dealing with. A balloon. You know what I mean? Let's see. Now we're going to put him back in. I'm going to trim up some of this excess fishing line here. So my sister, she always gets stuffed balloons from me. And her balloons last a long time. She always has it on display in her room. This one was in her office. Well, she works from home, so it was technically still in, well, it wasn't her room. But yeah, she still had it on display in a prominent place. It could be seen. Just a little more air so the balloon can be expanded. Take this off. As I'm holding on to the string that, or the fishing line that's attached to the doggy here, this might be a little tricky because the string's not as long, but I'm gonna try something. Hold on, y'all. Just trying to be a little innovative so that I could have a little more grip on the fishing line. Just so I could have something to hold on to. Yeah? Okay. Ooh, you see, okay. There. Guys, I ripped it. I ripped it. There's a hole. There's a pinhole at the top here. Is that a pinhole? Yep, it's a pinhole. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. The life of a stuffed balloonie. This is what we go through, yeah. Okay. I decided to just cut it off. Just cut it off. I'm gonna try it again with the fish, with this, oh, you know what I could do? I could get more fishing line and attach the fishing line. Okay. Well, I'm already here. I'm gonna just use the 260 for now, just to give me something to work with. All right, get it on there. sleeve protector or your neck protector. All right, let's try this again. Right, I'm gonna give it just a little more air. I'm actually going to be trying a new stuffer pretty soon. I just got a different stuffer, guys. I don't know the brand. Someone was selling their stuffer at a reasonable price. I was like, you know what? I want it. Let me get it. All right, gonna take this off. And now take it off of the stuffer. I wanted to save you guys the drama. Because of my laziness, I had to do this balloon a third time. Third time's the charm. I left this part in the video because I wanted you to see my true emotions. I wanted you to see the frustration. It does get frustrating after 3 or 4 times of putting your balloon together and it popping, or there's a pinhole, or anything, the balloon flying off, whatever. I wanted you to see the true emotions. But yeah, let's see the finished product one more time for the road. Instead of sewing the fishing line on, I tied it around the neck. Why haven't I done this before? I have to think about this for a second. Okay, this can work with animals like this, but I can't see it working when I'm hanging something like this. Something for me to think about. Anyways, we got the fishing line on it. Fishing line is here. Okay? All right. Let's get the balloons in. This is the last time, okay? I said 3 times the charm. All right, let's get you in there. Got your quad for the neck of your balloon. I'm gonna take one of these 260s that I have over here, cut it in half. Other half will be for the topper. Figure eight it behind one. I'm holding the part that I tied. What do we call it? The neck of the stuffed balloon, and I am figuring to get it on there. Remember, one of my suggestions is to inflate your balloon before you start. That way you'll know by the time you get to this part of the stuffed balloon process that your balloon is good. Okay, so instead of adding like the ribbon, I made flowers for her. I'm sorry, sister, that your balloon popped. Thank you for your patience, sister. So I've already pre-inflated the stem and the flower, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. do it a different way. Isn't it so pretty? Okay. As you can see, I already made my bowl. This is what I'm gonna use to put together. I'm gonna use another 260. To put them together. I actually like my flowers. And then I'll take this and put it like that. Go. So here we are just trimming up our flowers, the stems of the 260s, and getting rid of the excess 260s and attaching it to the stuffed balloon. I used a piece of 260 that was still attached to the bow, but you could, just make a rubber band out of these 260s and attach it to the quad of the stuffed balloon. And here is our new and improved stuffed balloon for my sister customer. All customers should be satisfied with their gifts. Doesn't matter if they're family or not. Take care of your peoples, especially family. And here we go. I would actually U-glue this. I would U-glue it to the foil and to the quad to keep it at that angle that I want. I used 260 to attach it to one of the quads. That's an option as well. Whatever suits you, whatever works for you. And there are these big bags. So Keepsake Stuffer carries these really big bags. I did not get this brand. This particular one is not from Keepsake. The only reason I'm mentioning that is because it's from Amazon, and almost every single one that I used broke at the bottom. And I had to repair at the bottom. I love using these. I might give this another go around with the Amazon brand because it's cheaper. And you're just gonna throw this away, right? Maybe I got a bad batch. I don't know. But the Keepsake ones, if I have to get those, I'll just get them. But the gift bag, these are gift basket wrap. It fits so nicely inside. If this wasn't broken at the bottom, and then you would put this inside the bag along with the plant saucer as well, so that they can have after the 260 deflate. And then if you wanted, you could ruche this at the top and put a ribbon around the top here to give that, more of a gift effect. Yeah, so this is the new and improved balloon from a balloon that deflated after I gave it to the client, aka my sister. And so I made it new and improved and even better. And I can't wait to give it to her to see her reaction. I'm sure she'll love it. I think I might. I'm not. Never mind. I think I might personalize it. Yeah, I think I'm going to put her name. I'm going to put her name on it. So that's that, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, happy ballooning. See you soon. Bye.